Uhuruchi ọma nụ, Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, ekenekwa mụ anyị niile wee na-asị ka tata wu orie mara anyị mma, ka orie tata retara anyị ndụ, ka orie retara anyị udo, ka orie retara anyị agamniru, retara anyị ha akụ na ihe enwe. Asị m ka chi anyị na ezumezu mmụọ niile anyị na-atụrụ aja gọzie anyị, nye anyị ndụ, nye anyị udo obi n'iru, udo obi n'azụ, ihe akụ na ihe enwe. Ọfọ anyị na-agọ n'isi anyị tata orie bụ ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ. Asị m ihe anyị ga-eri akọkwala anyị, nke eri anyị gba ọsọ. Asị m na onye ọbụla hụrụ anyị gbawa aja ga-ewela anaze mmiri. Onye ọbụla si na ihe ọma mma mme na ndụ anyị ka aja anyị Igbo chụọ ya ọsọ. Asị m ka chi anyị na ezumezu mmụọ niile anyị na-achụrụ aja gọzie anyị, nye anyị ndụ, nye anyị udo, nye anyị ogologo ndụ na arụ isi ike, ihe akụ na ihe enwe agamniru, bọsị orie, bọsị afọ, bọsị nkwọ, bọsị eke, n'afọ na n'ọnụ ụbọchị na anọ ise. Ndewo na ụmụ Igbo, aka nkwa onye eke gị nwada gbara ọma ụzọ mmiri, onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo, akwa ndị bụ Igbo. Anyị na-agba afa, na-agbasi afọ ike, na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Akwazi m onye isi ịchụ aja na-agbara ọma ọdịnala spiritual temple nke dị n'Enugu steeti. Ọ bụrụ na tata bụ ize gị sonyere anyị, ana m ekele gị, na-asị gị nnọọ. Echefukwana ibinyere anyị aka ma gbasakwa ozi anyị ka nwee ike na-erute ndị enyi gị na ikwu na ibe gị aka. Ọ bụzikwa na anyị na gị dị na mbụ eri, kasị m gị nnọọ, jisike gị nwa bụ onye Igbo njem ọnụ. O nwere okwu nsi, ana m adị distracted, I am outside, ka m baa n'ime, adị m a bit distracted here. O nwere okwu nji maka ya pụta taa, nsị ka anyị na-ebe anya na ya. Ndewo Nwada Nkechi Okonkwo, nnukwu nwaanyị, ekene m gị ka tata bụ ọ dị makwa arụ gị mma. Ụmụ Igbo, ndewo nọ. Ịga n'isiokwu m bụ ihe gbasara imebi ọfọ ngwuru na ikuchikwazi ya. Imebi ọfọ ngwuru na ikuchi ya, ihe ikwesịrị ịmara banyere ya bụ ife ka m ji maka ya wee nọrọ n'etiti anyị na mgbede a. Maka na ya bụ ihe emego ọtụtụ ngwuru ihe, ya bụ ihe a na-ekwu okwu ya emego ọtụtụ ngwuru ihe. Ọtụtụ ngwuru na-aka ụta maka gịnị? Na ha anọrọzi with the authority of their ancestors, with the powers that be with them, with the authorities from their ancestors, with the authorities from oracles and powers and forces, waters, seas, oceans with them. Onye kpatara ọtụtụ ngwuru ji aka ụta tata. Ya bụ ihe wee bụrụ ajọ ife wee dịrị ndị Igbo. Like in the Uka Obia, whenever they want to pray, they will say that they will be like, I stand in the authority in the name of Jesus to cast and bind you, you foul spirit. They believe they are the authority in the name of Jesus. So we have our spiritual authority, and don't worry about it manifest here physically, which is on that Ofor of energy tenaka. Even ọtụtụ ngwuru. Yes. Onye a na-ajụ question now, you did well. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere question, biko just bear it in mind. Mbọsị ọbụla m pụtara live, if you have any question, ask. After message you deleted, but then you can ask again if you have any question. So ọtụtụ ngwuru lose go their staff of authority. Ụfọdụ ngwuru na-ata afụ tata maka ọfọ ha mere abandon. ụfọdụ na-akọ ụta because of ọfọ ndị nna nna ha mere abandon. Ụfọdụ ọfọ bụ site n'aka nna onye mere nnukwu ọdịnala na ndụ ya. Ụfọdụ bụ site n'aka onye mere dibịa na ndụ ya. So a lot of family wee mee gịnị? Wee mee ya abandon. O wee na-aghasa ihe, wee na-ebute ịkụ ụta, wee na-ebute disappointment in marriage n'ebe ụmụ nwaanyị nọ, na-ebutara ụmụ nwoke failure na their various businesses. So o wee bụrụ gịnị? O wee bụrụ ajọ ife. Ọ bụrụ ife dị mma ka ọ bụ. Ọfọ is your authority. Ọfọ wụ authority gị dịka onye Igbo, onye ya na mmụọ na-erikọ, dịka onye Igbo onye nwere ezumezu mmụọ ya na ya na-abụso, dịka onye Igbo nwere chi. Like anyị nwa bụ ndị dibịa, anyị na-enwe ọfọ chi, anyị na-enwe ọfọ ndị ichie, anyị na-enwe ọfọ alụsị, anyị na-enwe ọfọ mmiri, anyị na-enwe ọfọ agwụ. As a dibịa, dịka onye dibịa na-enwere different kind of ọfọ ihe enwe. As time goes on, ha ncha niile abụrụ ihe ihe create one day, but as time goes on, nke ọbụla o ruru oge ya, ịkpọtuo ya wee doseli ebe ọ ya nọ. O wee bụzielu na such person ebisi ndụ ya n'ụwa wee naba. Ụmụaka ya ma nwunye ya nwụrụ anụ ewee sị na ọ na-eje ụka, and for that reason na ha ya eme abolish the ọfọ. Ka m gwa gị, now I want to tell you something. Somebody said one day in one of my videos made on Facebook one certain time, onye ha said that what I'm saying is rubbish, that they destroy their own father and grandfathers or and ever they destroy them, they have been seeing peace in their family. Now when you can destroy all those things, you that destroy them, you may be still be enjoying the grace from from the libations that your grandfather and your fathers made. But what about your children? What about your grandchildren? What about your great-grandchildren? That is the reason why when we're after Ganaba, ijua maka background onya, anakwalogi na nna mụtalụ nna onye a, ma nna mụtalụ nna nna onye a, na o mere ihe ọdịnala na mgbe gboo, na o nwere mmụọ ofelo, na ọ gbara afa, na o bidoro ọfọ, and na the family anaghịzi echukwa mmụọ ahụ. O wee na-ebutalụ ha ịkụ ụta, ma nwoke ma nwaanyị, ma ndị n'ụdị ma ndị ka ndị single. Don't just think that not during your era, during your time, can those things he destroy Igabia play. It might not take place in your own time. Only about the time of your children. Only about the time of your grandchildren. Only about the time of your great-grandchildren. But what I am saying is this: the worst thing a mother mediki mo mea nine joker. The highest way you can enslave yourself when you try to destroy that foundation that your ancestors have laid. That foundation, in our how they came into existence. Even if you know how they came into existence, it is not up to you to destroy them, because if you don't want them, need those forces. So ihe na-achị ikwu, ọ bụrụ na unu emebikọ ọfọ be nna gị, ọ nna gị jidere ọfọ obodo, ọfọ ụmụnna, be rest assured na enwe ebe ọ si anapụ unu ihe. Ndị nwere atụ ọfọ, o nwere ebe ọ si anapụ unu ife. And na ọfọ ọbụla emebigoro, emebiri, wee rapụ ya for like some time, o wee bido nyewa nsogbu, aka nwere solution. Aka nwere solution for it. Ọ bụrụ something ị ga-asị because of na-eme gị ụta, there is solution. The only thing na dị mmụọ nwere ike o choose na family ndị ha chọrọ ka o bido ka o resurrect those things onye ha chọrọ. If you are not chosen, please don't do this. It is for those ones that are chosen. Anụmala amalụ, ọ bụrụ na emebiri mmụọ dị na be nna gị ma ụfọdụ be nna gị, gị nwa na onwe gị, everybody agbakọta ya azụ, ọ na-enye nsogbu. You as a person onye choose, onye the mmụọ choose to restore the family roots and foundation, the spiritual family roots, foundation and authority and power. Imara that n'ihi anọ dịka onye nwere ọkpụkpọ oku, ịnọ dịka onye nwere call. O nwere ike ije na dibịa ama ngwa gị na ị nwere call ụdịka nke anyị na-alụ. But because of na ụfọdụ nna gị kwere gị aka, ọ na-akpasaghị anya dịka onye nwere call. You must stand, you must do the needful. It is not as though that you go and then start looking for that Ofor ebe agbara ya ọkụ, or you see, okay, for the fact na agbago ya ọkụ ka ihe ị ga-emekwanụ, or for the fact na all this na forest that you cannot find it kedu ihe ị ga-eme. No, there is no enwero barrier. There is something you can do depending ka dibịa gba alụ gị afa si alụ. But to the best of my knowledge, such thing na ana akuchi the Ofor akuchi, ana akuchi the Ofor akuchi, you know what I mean? And as an ana akuchi the Ofor, in the sense that you need to now go and get a fresh Ofor stick. Inweta fresh Ofor stick, igba afa mara ihe those entities needed. Imara ma ga-akpọ ha alụ first. O nwere ndị ya abụọ abịa sị gị no, they are so much angry, ha need ka akpọ ha alụ first. Ọ bụ na ha akpọ ha alụ first, akpọ ha alụ, akpụsie ha alụ, then agwazie gị material needed for that Ofor to be restored. N'ebe material ha ka ị eji wee kpọnyekwa ha si na ya wee kpọtụ ha, because spirit ndị a, they are now hovering all over the air because onwe ezi onye na-enye ha nri. Are you getting it? So from the sun, you can bring them down to that new Ofor stick and igoro. One of the most benefit of ibu achita Ofor ngwuru, ọ na-ewepụ ọnwụ, ọ na-ewepụ ihe isi ike, stagnation, ọ na-ewepụ that is akakịta n'iru agaba azụ, disappointment, because na those entities a na-efeed bụ on bụ ha nwa bụ ihe na-emepere ha ụzọ. Nobody has been giving them food, nobody has been giving them cola, nobody has been giving them nzu edo or whatsoever, or even sacrificing livestock to them. For that reason, they are now hot, and for that reason, ha ga-eme everywhere. Even the air you inhale, it will become sickness to you. The earth you step on will become problem for you. You understand? So for that reason, ọ bụrụ na Ofor be nna gị, Ofor ụmụnna gị, Ofor alụsị obodo, Ofor ngwuru be nna, ihe unu ga-agbanye ya wụ chọọ na onye okwele aka. A lot of people ka okwele aka mana ha nwere onye na-enye ha support. Ha mara ka ha esi wee bido wee mebi fedi ụta. Ihe a na-agwa gị ji so many people under hostage. And o nwere one secret in chọrọ leak to you. Any day, o nwere obodo ngalo last week, I noticed that enwere ebe oku mmụọ dị, ebe shrine dị. As in, ha ka mebichara ya ọfụrụ, you know, afọ nke asị wee mebisi ebe ahụ. I laughed. My elder sister bụ m na moto si ya, obodo ndị obodo a aka na-emebi alụsị na ụwa nke a. Ndị nke a osa ha ahụbe ụzọ ha ka na-emebi alụsị. You understand? So ihe m na-achọ ikwu, ọ bụrụ na abịa na-achọ imebi alụsị dị n'obodo gị, first of all, ndị ogboni a, ndị ajọ mmadụ a na-eme gị ihe na-eme gị, they will first of all enter through the church. Take it or leave it. I am telling you their secret. Ndị ogboni a, ndị occultic evil men and evil women enwere, they will first of all enter through the church. They will befriend the priest. They will befriend the pastors. They will be the one to tell them, enwere arụsị ndị be anyị na-efe. Ndị be anyị niile onwe ọzọ onye chọrọ na-achọ iru Chukwu. Onye ọbụla na-eji fụ ụmụaka na-agụ mmụọ. Arụsị a kechicha ha, kechicha onye ọbụla. Before now, those of our mother, they will now start to use our mother's brain. Na ga-eme liberation n'obodo. Na ga-eme liberation na familia. Na ga-eme nka. Do you know why they are doing this thing? Because they know that with that ROC being at peace with you, there is nothing they can do to you. As long as no one can enye mmụọ here, their witchcraft and evil and demonic manipulation will never get to you, because that deity will always be there to protect his or her people. And for that reason, they will not make you to turn your back at that deity. And when you turn your back at the deity, or the whatever forces that is guiding you, your people, and your family, the next thing now is that they will use you to destroy you. What do I mean by using you to destroy you? They will now, like a kind of, now say, they now place a levy that every family must contribute some amount. Now na-eji ime deliverance n'ebe dị otu a. You don't know. Contributing that amount ka e wee settle our father, ma ka e wee settle our pastor, ma ka e wee kwụrụ ụgwọ fuel. Indirectly, you have declared your support for that deity to be destroyed, or to be abolished, or to be removed. N'anya nke mmadụ, that is what they are doing. But the spiritual, the heart of that deity is buried on the earth, which no one can find it. And all heart of that deity, would that thing go on, when they may say that thing, that one now will start reacting. And once it starts reacting, the people will now start having problems. They will now start having all manner of physical and spiritual problems, sickness, death, failure, disappointment, and all that. So, ihe na-achị kọwa abụ, ọ bụrụ na n'obodo gị na aka na-ekwu okwu imebi arụsị, and you are not in support of it. Ọ bụrụ na be nna gị na aka na-ekwu okwu imebi arụsị, and you are not in support of it, there is something you can do about it. To save yourself, to save your children unborn, to save your generation from the wrath of that deity. Because it can only take, immediately they do that thing, the deity will start reacting. When the deity is 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, that time, even 50 years, and that's at that time, before far. Before not that that thing. Oburu na deity be nna gị ha chọrọ imebi ya, hear me. Ọ na mmụọ unu dị na ụmụnna nwelu, ma na family nwelu, na ndị ụfọdụ ndị ogboni achọghị use the people to destroy the people. What you will do is this. If you tell them openly that you are not going to be part of this, they may disown you, they may banish you. That is depending on your village, and depending on the kind of person you are. If you like, banish from nothingness, your banishment matters nothing to me. Uwadigo exposed, Uwadigo civilized. There are things that you should allow nobody to threaten you with. What you need to do is that you look for the deity. Even if you cannot go to the deity, even in your house, tell that deity, this money they are contributing to remove you, my money will not enter there. I am not part of this. I am not part of this. And may whatsoever that may come upon those that are doing this thing, may I never be part of it, because I am not in support. If they don't need you, I need you. Ikwesiri gabara onwe gị. Allow them to carry on with their mission. It is none of your business. That I would like to attend to before I now start attending to the general question. This person said, what if the person supposed to take the Ofor refuse? Can someone from the family take over? If someone that is supposed to bear the Ofor for the whole family refuses to bear the Ofor, and you now, as a person, you have the desire, you have the zeal to bear the Ofor, you must consult Afa first. You must consult Afa first. If you go to Afa and Afa says that you should not near, don't near, they are going to surrender the person. If you go to Afa and Afa say take, before another, like even in the Bible they say that the very year that Hosea died, Isaiah started seeing vision, that person must go down for you to reign. So a lot of people desires to, those who are not even called desire to be on the seat, while those that are called are running. If that person does not want to bear the offer, it is left for the gods. And if another person is there desiring of taking over the offer, let that person go and make consultation and be sure that it will not backfire him, because again, are you getting it? It's just like someone who is not a dibia desiring to become a dibia, because those who are called are now refusing to answer their call. You are never called to be a dibia unless your own call is hidden. You have call, but it's not yet time. That is the only time it will work for you. Are you getting it? So it's now time for question. Please, how do you enter into covenant with Imara? Covenant with Imara. It is a very good thing as a mariner to be in a covenant with your water people. That is, if you can keep up to it. It depends on your own covenant. My own personal covenant is different, might be different. Your own might be, let me have money. My own is another different thing. My own is that no man born of a woman can kill me, as long as I stand on the truth, irrespective of the situation. That is my own covenant. And in that covenant, I've decided that anytime I'm going to the water, be it that I'm going to work for somebody, that I will not go to the water empty-handed. I must go with something. I must go with a gift for Imara. Are you getting it? So, covenant with Imara is good. The only thing is this: when you pack, that is after you might have finished with your marriage settlement. When you pack whatever that you want to go to the water with, after you have finished your marriage settlement, when you go, this is it. When you get there, you now tell them, I have come today that you may help me bring out all my blessings from the water. All my crown, let all of them manifest. Give me money, protect me, open my way. And as you continue to do this for me, every 2 months, I'll be coming to visit you with eatables. Or as you continue to do this for me, every 3 months or every 6 months, I'll be bringing goat or ram for you. That is covenant. Entering into covenant with spirit or an entity, even your chi or your Indi Ichie. It's not just Imara. You can enter into covenant with any entity. I am into covenant with so many entities. So it depends on what the particular thing you are asking them. You understand? Thank you. Auntie, I will create chance and come and see you. So I don't want them there. Okay, Abara, this is my first time on your live, but been watching your videos. I really appreciate your teaching. You are doing a great work. Please, how can I know my Onyowa? Onyowa, that is Onyowa, your reincarnate. Some people, their Onyowa used to visit them in their dream, but some with different face that they have not seen before. Because sometimes people that reincarnate them, maybe they have not seen them for the first time in their life. So even when they appear, they might not recognize the face. So some people, the faces that come to them in their dream is face that they know before, either their grandfather or their grandmother. Because a lot of people reincarnate when they are still alive. Many people reincarnate when they are still alive. So that is why some of these people can be able to identify the face of the person that comes to give them message or lift them whenever they are having an attack in their dreams. Another way, which is the best way to find out about your Onyowa, is through Alpha. It is through deep Alpha consultation. From there, you can know who your Chi is. That is your Onyowa. Whether your Onyowa is from your father's side or from your mother's side. And the necessary things that you need to do for this entity so that road will be open, so that things will start working out well for you. Ajụjụ ọgwụgwụ ọ bụrụ na ọfọbe nna gị adịrọzi active, please go and restore it. Please do something about it. Even if it is not in your place to restore it, try to call them, invite them whenever you are praying, invite them whenever you are making libations. Kpọkuo ha mgbe ọbụla ị na-aga ọfọ. Mmụọ niile ngwurunwu ji wee bụrụ eze, mmụọ niile ndị gboo felo na be nna m, mmụọ niile nna m felo, nna m felo, nna m talo na nna m ha felo, biko unu bịanụ taa ọjị, bịanụ ṅụọ mmanya, mepee n'ụzọ, nye m n'udo. You always call them, even if it is not in your place to do what? To restore them, to bring back the offer. Please try to unite yourself with them, so that Kobe Hamwikeze Ebino. What if your father and family member reject your calling? Will anything happen to that person? If your father and your mother, who is your father and your mother to stand on the ways of the gods? Who is your father and your mother to stand on the ways of the gods? They are your channel, they are your road, they are your path into this life. They are the road through which you came into this life. But they must not stand on your destiny. They must not stand against your mission. They must not stand on the path and on your call as the chosen one. You understand? So let me tell you, a lot of us that are doing this work faced so many rejections. Many of us that started this work are from a very strong Christian home. You understand? So it is not easy. If they say no and you listen to their no, my brother, when sickness come, my sister, when sickness come, they will not be there to suffer the pain with you. If you say no when frustration and madness come, there is a stage you get to without answering this call that they will place you in a way that you wish that you still have time to go back and answer. And those people you are looking at their faces will not be there for you. They will start mocking you. That is when they will now remind you that you have been a bad luck to this family. That they don't know what type of child that you are. That ever since you came into this family, you've decided not to be useful to yourself. Nobody started this work without losing friends and family. Are you hearing me? Nobody started this work as a called one who never had the intention of doing this work. And nobody started without losing friends and family. That is your cross, and you are going to carry it until you continue to stand on the path of truth. You continue to stand on the path of light. Then your own entities can now decide to put smile on your face, to take away those pains, to take away those shames, and then those people will start looking for you. So your parents must not stand on your way. This is your destiny. This is whom you are. This is an oath that you took before coming into this life, this world. That you are coming to restore the land. That you are coming to set the people free. That you are coming to deliver people. That you are coming to be a shoulder for people to lean on. That you are coming to be a teacher. You are coming to be a healer, a warrior. That is whom you are. And your parents shouldn't stand on your way. Even your parents is the highest people that can stand on your way. They should not stand on your way. I'm not saying you should kill them. I'm not saying you should fight them. I'm not saying you should make troubles with them. But know your purpose of creation and walk directly towards where you are being called. Thank you. Please, I saw my dead father in the dream and greet him, and he disappears. I was the only one that saw him. A message is coming. Go to his grave. By this time it's okay. 7, 8 at night. Use cola and water and drink and talk to him. After talking to him, when you are done talking to him, leave the water there overnight. Then go. Tell him that that message he has come to give you. Let him come and give you. That whenever he comes to you, you should not close his mouth. That whatever message that he has for you, let him bring it to you, that you are waiting. When you are done, you go to your room and lie down. He will visit you again in his dream. In your dream. So, he was in the midst of my elder brother and friends, but no one saw him. Even my brother himself didn't see him. He has a message for you. Any other question? Umuchuku? Anyajusiana? Okay. Echefukwana na abụ m onye nke gị nwada gbara ọma ụzọ mmiri. Ọnwa ajụjụ nwere ịjụ m gbasara ọdịnala Igbo. Please don't come and tell me that someone asks you out if you should accept. I'm not a relationship therapist, because please don't come and tell me your boyfriend has been cheating on you. What should you do? Please. Because if you have any question concerning your spiritual life, or you want to consult, you want to make consultations, that is it, echefukwana izitara m ozi na my WhatsApp number na 07037311663. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịbịa bịa fụ m, the road is open for you to come. Ịrụtara na Old Park Enugu, ijụọ n'iru Peace Park, kedu ebe a na-aba moto Ogbede, not Ogbede, 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 Ogbede. Then you stop at Ogbede Junction. Then you call me. But please remember, before coming, try to tell me that you are coming at least a day before your visit, so that I can make chance for you. If not, you go sleep for hotel, you go tire. Ndewo na ekenekwa m.